First of all, let me talk about two parts of algebra: expressions like the one we see over here. That's a problem on expressions. That means if we write the area, which is length times it by width of this rectangle, and the length and the width are given to you. So the length is x plus 6, and you are timesing it by 2x minus 1. So this question asks you to work out the area, which is this one. This is the area of the rectangle. What you can do is expand it, and by expanding and simplifying, so expand and simplify will get you the final answer. I can see the students, the majority, are having problem in expanding it at this stage, which is quite nerve-wracking. It's not easy to understand why the students are struggling with it. We practiced it so much. So one of the things I can talk about right now, why don't you create a box like a multiplication table and write that expression, x positive 6. That matters. The positive 6 is not negative 6. There is a huge difference between positive 6 and negative 6. I talked about it in the classroom. Now this one is 2x negative 1, and we are simply multiplying these two factors. So x times 2x gives you 2x squared. And if you multiply positive 6 with 2x, that gives you a positive 12x. If you multiply x with negative 1, that gives you negative x. And if you multiply positive 6 by negative 1, that gives you negative 6. Now let's look at all the terms. We have 2x squared. We have 12x, which is a positive 12x, and we have negative x and negative 6. Now these two together can be written as 2x squared plus 12x. You are subtracting negative x and negative 6. That will give you 2x squared. 12x minus x gives you 11x minus 6. And that is the answer. It's not hard. It requires lots of practice. I can see majority students are not practicing. So this is the time to practice. This is the answer. This is the area of the rectangle. I'll stop there.